we were doing so well. We'd just come through Weedon Bec, nearly at Longbuckby, and just come down to a tree that's down. We did it, babes. Getting pretty dark again. It's probably about 4:30 now, I think, and we're on the Northern Oxford, so we're just about to get to Hillmorton, which will be our first narrow locks. So it will be interesting to see whether we fit through the lock or whether there are any pinch points. Hillmorton isn't really known for being too narrow, but who knows with this one? It's all a bit of a mystery. Well, the good news is we fit down those locks, so that's fine. As I said, they weren't particularly narrow anyway, but being as they were the first narrow locks of the whole trip, and possibly the first narrow lock she's done in a very long time, it could have been a different story. We're going to tie at Newbold tonight and go to the Barley Mow for dinner, but I've just seen on Facebook they close at 4. Well, they stopped serving food at 4, so we're going to try somewhere else. But I think it will be a well-deserved meal wherever it is, and it won't be a Frey Brentos pie opened with tin snips. One of my jobs this morning, whilst we've got some lock-free boating, is to take down the old blinds that aren't really doing anything, that don't work, that don't function, and they're just collecting spiders and dust. So I'm going to take them down and replace them with some black bin bags. How not to do DIY. Obviously just a temporary fix because the whole cabin needs refitting, relining, reinsulating, everything anyway, but Our functional blinds for now, I don't think they're too bad, to be honest.
That's it, we've just done our last lock of the journey to the Midlands. So we're just leaving Atherstone Bottom and we're on our way to Alvecote Marina for a little bit until New Year.
were just saying how the last time we went from London to the Midlands in such a short weekend, we got within a couple of miles of our end destination, and just as we came around the corner there was a tree down. The tree was too hard to get past, we couldn't do it, and we've just come around the same bend, just recollecting the memory, and there's another tree down. Couldn't write it.